In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horror YouTube thumbnail with Fotor. We're going to keep this simple and focused, so by the end you'll have a clean workflow you can repeat anytime you need a spooky, eye-catching thumbnail. Start by opening your browser and heading to Fotor.com. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account. If you're prompted to choose an account, just select the one you want to use so you land on your Fotor dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the search bar at the top. Type YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Fotor will take you to a new tab dedicated to YouTube thumbnail templates. This page is useful because everything here is already sized to the standard YouTube dimensions, which means you don't have to worry about cropping or resizing later. On this template page, you'll see another search bar specifically for templates. Type horror and hit enter. This filters the gallery to designs that already lean into the dark, eerie style we're aiming for. Scroll through and choose a template that fits the tone of your video. Think high contrast, bold titles, and a layout with space for a short headline. When one catches your eye, click it to open the editor. Now it's time to edit. Start by changing the main title to match your video. Keep it short and punchy, and make sure it's legible even at a small size. If the font looks too delicate, switch to a thicker, sans serif, or bold display font. Adjust the color to something high contrast. White or bright red on a very dark background usually pops for horror themes. Next, swap any placeholder images. You can use Fotor or stock library or bring in your own visuals. Dark textures, fog, cracked walls, shadows, or a close-up with dramatic lighting all help sell the mood. If the image is too bright, lower the brightness or add a subtle vignette to draw focus toward the center. Refine the layout by moving elements so the headline and any key visuals don't sit too close to the edges. Leave a little breathing room so nothing gets cut off in previews. Add small accents like grunge overlays or light leaks if they support the theme, but avoid clutter. The best thumbnails read clearly at a glance. Finally, zoom out to roughly a quarter size to mimic how it appears on YouTube. If the title is still readable and the focal point is obvious, you're on the right track. That's it. You went to Fotor.com, logged in, searched for YouTube thumbnail, opened the templates in a new tab, filtered for horror, picked a template, and edited it to match your video.